Good morning, guys. It is Thursday, September the 7th, and my name is Daniel, and you're watching another video here at Triple R Farms. If you're new to the channel, we're a 4th generation farm. I farm with my dad, and we're located right here in central Alabama, and we've only got a couple of days left of corn harvest, and then we are done with corn. But we also will be going right into soybean harvest. We also have grain sorghum or milo to harvest this year, and then also we will be picking some cotton. So plenty of harvest videos coming up in the future. So what we're going to be doing today, we're going to get the combine ready. We got to fill it up with diesel, grease it up, look it over, you know the drill. And then we're going to roll on to finishing up these last fields of corn over in the valley. So sit back, enjoy the video, and let's get it going. I need a punch. The shaft is worn, and it's got some play in it, but the locking collar is backed off, so I'm gonna re-lock the locking collar. See how the shaft is worn on the bearing, and it's not the bearing's fault. So at the first of the corn harvest, you may remember that we did replace that bearing, and anyway, I should have ordered the shaft and replaced the shaft too, because anyway, we replaced bearing after bearing, and anyway, the shaft is just completely worn and it's not fitting in the bearing right. So yesterday afternoon, I ordered 2 new bearings and I ordered a new shaft. So should be in probably Friday, so we may put it on Friday or just wait till Monday and put it on. But we do have it ordered. But that is the only thing on this whole Geringhoff header that I ever have any trouble with. That is it. And I think they've updated that whole little situation right there with a 4-bolt bearing, maybe a beefier bearing or something. But I know they've updated it, because when I've tried to order it, they try to give me the wrong bearings and stuff. So we're gonna limp by till we get the other ones in, and then we'll throw the shaft on and 2 new bearings. I'm gonna pull this on down. All right, let's grease it up to start the time lapse. All right, we got through with Curtis quarter number 5. We're going to Curtis quarter number 6. There's Roy. don't want to hit a tree. We're good. So we got 6, and then we got Edwards, field number 2, if y'all see that, on the other side of the soybeans right there. Anyway, that's a pretty big field. So we got Edwards 2, and on the other side of these woods is the soybean field. That's where we'll end up. So all 3 fields, we can see them. We're getting there. All right, we're gonna open up a pass kind of down the middle of this field, and let's see what it's gonna yield. Looks pretty good though. Not too bad. This is all dry land corn, and this field actually 2 years ago it was actually a hay field. We took it in, converted it into a row crop. So every year that we have a row crop on this particular field, the yields tend to get better and better. So yeah, I'm pleased with that. We're full. We're waiting on Mark right now, so we'll take a look at the corn. The reason I'm having to wait on him, I haven't quite opened up the field enough for him to get to the trucks easy, so he's having to go a long way around whenever he gets full to get to the trucks. But we'll get it opened up. Corn looks good, I will say that. Check this out. It's a big ear right there, guys. BH Genetics 8721. I don't think I've ever planted this particular variety, but it is yielding very good. It's staying around 180 to 200, and like I said, this is dry land, and we're on 36-inch rows. Our population is 26,000. Combine's doing really good, not leaving anything hardly. There's one. There's one. So, not bad. There's 2. Well guys, we are moving on to Edwards, field number 2, right here. morning glory. 8 morning glories. So all these vines you see right here is what we call morning glory. And that is a word you do not want to use during corn harvest. If you look right here, see all these morning glory on this last 2 rows right here. That's typical around the edges of some fields and stuff. Morning glory probably started growing way out here, and then it grew all the way across and was working his way across these 2 rows. Looks pretty bad. Probably might have to get off and do this maybe 1 or 2 more times, but it looks like it clears up down there. But thank goodness the rest of the field is clean. Bad dude right here. So I'm still getting a lot of comments about my drive shaft and the U-joint and all, and a lot of people are saying you gotta jack it up and then you get under there and shake that drive shaft and you'll see that universal joint is gone out. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna pull this baby in the shop, we're gonna jack it up, we're gonna get under there, we're gonna shake that drive shaft, and we're gonna see if we can find this problem. Let me look at the other end of this bottom here. Huh? It is? Think that one got a little play? Yep. I don't know, guys, you tell me. I did not see any play in the universal joint by the rear axle. I did see a lot of play when you turn the drive shaft. There's a lot of slack back there on that in that rear axle. That's probably not good. And then James thought he saw a little bit of play in the front U-joint. I don't know. I guess it's time, whenever we do finally get a rain, to take this truck down to the GMC dealer and let them look at it. But leave me some comments if you saw something in the video that y'all caught that we didn't catch. So now you guessed it, it's time to go over there, get the combine ready. I'm not gonna bore y'all with any of that video, so we'll go straight to the drone footage.
your message.
Be full. So we got a very first right here at Triple R Farms this year. Mark has to go somewhere this afternoon. So right now, Dad is jumping on the grain cart. We will have a brand new grain cart driver today for the rest of the afternoon. So we'll have to see how he does, but anyway, when he gets back over here, we're gonna try to knock out this field and move on to the next one. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed it. We really appreciate y'all watching our videos. And if you want any of our merchandise, some of you may not even know that we sell Triple R Farms merch, but we do. We got the visors, we got hats, we got t-shirts, long sleeve t-shirts, we got kids t-shirts, we got different kind of logo t-shirts, and then we got this one. A lot of it, pretty much most of it, is made in the United States. So go check it out. The website's up here, www.triple-r-farms-al.com. Like I said, it's up here. So go check it out when the video wraps up. But yeah, again, thank y'all for watching our videos. We really appreciate it. And you know what I'm gonna say, we're gonna catch y'all on the next one, guys. We're out.